knowledge comes with time and experience.
I think your story has always been one that is super inspiring, and I know our industry is small, but your presence in our industry is large. I think a lot of people admired you and your process, and I want to see more young people strive for that. So if somebody is watching this, and if you could give them some advice about what that truly looks like, what would you say?
I think I would say, number one, you have to find the right spot for you, right? And what I mean by that is the right company. If it's the right industry, you're going to know. You're going to be like, oh, this is kind of fun. I like this. I like the variety, or I'm drawn to whatever aspect of it is. So if it's the right industry, then I think is it the right spot? Are you at the right company for you? Because your values and your culture have to match where you're at. Now, that's easier said than done, right? It's like, oh, this will be a great place, and then you're there and you're like, maybe it's not so much. That doesn't mean you can't learn something there, and it'll be a stepping stone to something else.
Certainly.
And then I think it comes down to you have to have that sense of curiosity, that sense of wanting to know, and realizing that knowledge comes with time and experience. It doesn't come with reading a book. It doesn't, yes, that's knowledge, but to have a career and to grow, you're going to have experiences, and experiences take time. But I would say be the first to volunteer. Be the first to ask questions about something you don't understand, that insatiable desire just to learn. And the more you do of that, number one, you'll be noticed. Number two, you'll grow faster than you think you will, because that's what I did.